And instead of getting things cleaned up and business handled, taken care of, well, the exact opposite happened. Somehow, some way, they managed to get it close, keep it close, but OKC pulled away. They did what they could, and it just wasn't enough. Haliburton and his lack of field goals tonight certainly didn't help anything in the cause of winning this game and the series. That's something that can't happen in this next game, otherwise it's game, series over, checkmate. But we'll see if the Pacers can rebound and force a Game 7 back in OKC. We shall see.